As requested, here is a short video to show you the problem I have with my kitchen tap. You can see that overnight the water has leaked from between the base of the tap and the worktop. It shouldn't be like this, and I've been wondering why and what's causing it. And I discovered, quite by chance, that this particular part of the tap can be bent forward like this, and I suspect that there is a seal in that position there which has perhaps broken and caused the water to leak into the body of the tap and then out through the base. I don't know if this is sufficient for your needs, but I do hope so. This is a replacement tap. I've had one of these before, and I replaced it because it had been dripping from this particular point and dripping onto the worktop here. So I've had to resurface the worktop anyway, and now I find with the new tap I've got a different problem, which is quite irritating. I hope you can help. Thank you. Bye.